Hi, welcome to Tech Power Solution. Today we will explore AWS CLI. So that is AWS Command Line Interface. So it is a tool that allows you to manage AWS services using commands in your terminal or command prompt. So instead of clicking the around AWS management console. So thinking of it, talking to AWS directly through the commands. So only using commands you can talk with AWS. And then why do we need AWS CLI? So AWS Management Console is a graphical and good for beginners. So but when you need to automate the task, repeat operations quickly, work with scripts, and manage multiple AWS services efficiently. So instead of manually uploading 100 files to S3 using the console, you can run one AWS CLI commands to upload them all at once. And then next, features of AWS CLI. So it works with over 200 AWS services like EC2, S3, IAM, Lambda, RDS, whatever it is. And then and it is cross platform. It works on Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. Next, it supports automations. So you can write scripts to perform tasks automatically. Then consistent syntax. So the same format is used for all services. And then last, secure. So it uses IAM credentials for authentication. So next, CLI command structure. So it is a basic structure of CLI. So first, AWS, and then service, operation, and parameters. So the AWS tells the system you are using the AWS CLI, and then service is the name of the AWS services like S3, EC2, whatever it is, and then operation. So what action you want to do, for example, list, start, or create. Then parameters. So it is the extra details like resources names or IDs. So this is the example of CLI AWS S3 LS. So it is used to list all S3 buckets. And then last, AWS EC2 describe instance. It shows the all the EC2 instances. Next, version of AWS CLI. So version 1 and version 2. So version 1 is a older version but still used in some environment, and version 2 is a latest version. It is new for users. It is best for new users, and it has better security, performance, and features. Then benefits of using CLI. So it saves time for repetition tasks. So it works consistently across platforms, often faster than the console for certain operations. Next, real world use cases. So developers, automating application deployments with S3, EC2, and Lambda. So it is used for developers. And then system administrators. So managing hundreds of EC2 instances within a few commands. And then data engineers, so uploading or downloading large data set from S3. And then DevOps teams, so it integrating AWS CLI into CI/CD pipelines. So AWS CLI is a powerful tool to interact with AWS services from the command line, and it helps with automation, speed, and scripting. And then it uses a consistent command structure and works with almost every AWS services. It is an essential skill for developers, administrators, and DevOps engineers. So that's all. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or questions, please contact this number. Thank you.